Hello everyone. I am cleaning up my shop, and so I'm working on my little toolbox here. So I'm changing it around, so I'm going to show you what I did. So I went ahead and got a couple of these like bolt holders and stuff, and I'm putting that up on the top there. And then here is my sockets. I've got 3/8 short and deep, and I've got the same in 1/4 inch for metric and SAE, as you can see. I also have Torx bits and hex bits. So here's some of these right there. These are all hyper tough. They work great. I've been using them for a couple years now, and they clean up good. They work good. I've not had one break yet, so far so good. Here's the Pittsburgh hex wrenches. There's Torx and SAE metric in those. I've got some extensions. When I got these little nut and bolt holders, it came with a little pickup stick from Hyper Tough, all for $5. That was one of those Christmas specials that they had. Here I've got a Hyper Tough folding box knife. I've got some extension or like adapter heads from Pittsburgh, a little light, a 3/8 and a 1/4. I've got some extensions too for those. And so here's these. I'm trying to get it to where I can show you. Well, pretty nice, you know. Pretty nice set. And if you're on a budget and you don't have a ton of money to buy tools, you can just buy one at a time until you build your collection. Here are some gear wrenches that are ratcheting. I'm putting them in this drawer because I've been using them a lot, and so it's convenient to put them in here. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I also have my Craftsman, some just regular combination wrenches. I'm trying to build these out. If I can find them like at garage sales or whatever, I try to build a full set. I love them, American made. Down here is just my plier drawer. I got some pliers. I went to Ace a few years ago and got a plier set. So I have that in there along with a hammer. I've got some drill bits, picture hanging kit. I've got a tape measure, all-in-one screwdriver. I've got a back here I've got a level, just everything you need to like just do basic stuff in your home. And if you're not like a mechanic or a plumber and you just want some tools, you can go and buy them and just have them around just in case you need to fix something. That's what I do. I just build up my sets, and I don't spend a ton of money on them because I'm not a professional. I'm not making money at this. No reason to have like high top dollar stuff, but the stuff I do have is good and it works. It works for me and my needs, and you know, if you're just starting out, you know, this is a good thing to do. So there you go. I think the next episode I'm going to do is everything I've gotten free from Harbor Freight. I think that might be a cool little episode to do. So that will be my next one. If you could like and subscribe, this is what I'm doing for this toolbox. Other than that, have a great day. See you all soon. And I hope you're organizing your shop too. Bye-bye.